In terms of dining options, guys, I think it's better if you just buy food before you enter the park, and then you use those campground sites. They have a bathroom and they have beautiful view. Let me show you. So you can just stop at campground, put your food here, and look, you have a pretty view here. Look at that. There's some river, rapids, nice view. You can go to the river. You just hike down a bit, just go down and eat. So I think for me it's better than any restaurant. Or anything else. So let's just go. You just go down, enjoy the river, and have a healthy food. Look at that. You can eat right here. Just bring your food here and eat here. That's beautiful. It's better than any restaurant you find here. Look at this. So beautiful. This campground side, you can also use bathroom, and you can unload your trash here. It's interesting. Look, they have separate can for mixed glass, aluminum, plastic, and plastic. It's a regular trash here. Pretty nice here. Right, guys? Do you like the view? Good. What's the name of this animal?
Yeah, chipmunk.
Chipmunk?
Yeah. Look how close he is.
Make a picture of him.
Ginger.
Wow. Oh yeah, this is nice. This place called Golden Gate. Good? Yeah. Hey guys, we are at Mammoth Spring parking lot here at the lower side, what people suggest to take, lower side. And we're going on the hike.
I'm in there, the terrace.
I'm at every mom and dad that are what?
Play the music from here. It smells here. Look at this. Oh, look at this.
Where do you want to go? I don't know. I'm open.
Mammoth Hot Spring. Think about this screen.
It's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Here is Boiling River, guys. That's a place that everyone goes. I know I'm not seeing anything exciting about it. I would probably suggest you to skip this place. Hope it goes for a swim. Be careful, the current is really strong there. Ложись. Kind is pretty strong, you need to be really careful. Arrived to a new location called Undina Falls. Wow. Such a beautiful place. Look at that. Guys, we just came to Undina Falls. It's a roadside location. You don't need to hike here. Very beautiful. Look at me.
Может, ты проедешь вперед чуть-чуть?
Right, guys, we just entered Lamar Valley and we already see plenty of animals. That's so far just bisons here.
You know, I could.
Look at this, guys.
I could be filming
Right next to the road.
There are so much bisons around.
Yeah.
You just wanted to open us.
Нет, это была маленькая. Совсем маленькая. Ой, смотри, подожди, какие-то маленькие совсем. Ой, там он играет.
Да,
Маленькие пеппи-питончики играют. Смотри, как они носятся хорошо.
No, somebody is brown there, you see? Like light brown. It's not a bison. Brown?
Those bisons are running. What's its baby?
Yeah, I see it.
Бэбички. Такие хорошенькие, как коровки
The
маленькие.
babies run faster.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh, he might get aggressive because of babies, you know? Yeah.
Конечно. Это же его дети.
It's to protect
Видишь, они
the
светленькие,
babies.
разные. Разные цвета. Да, пусечки маленькие. Это мама, папа.
Oh my gosh, look at this. He's huge. Oh my
Да.
gosh.
Male huge.
Hi guys, we enter in Lamar Valley. Very beautiful place.
It's not winter.
Oh, people already watching something. Yeah, let's stop there.
Cheetah like running much faster than us. Just imagine.
Alright guys, here is Lamar Valley. Very beautiful place, look at that. Now you can see deer. And a bunch of bisons again. Guys, we got some police here. I think he caught someone already. Probably for speeding. We almost reached the end of the Lamar Valley. Just turn around, I think, at this point and drive back. Oh yeah, right here. Look here. See? Try not to move.
I can't.
Right there.
I can't see.
Mama, let's go. They might kill us
Тихонько.
because of the baby.
Мордочку. Очень крутая мордочка.
He's moving. He's waking up.
Здравствуй.
Не,
Тише, Вив, не шуми.
Смотри, смотри.
I found it
Рулишь?
first. Who found it first?
I was sleeping.
It's a grizzly bear.
I'm the one who found it.
Такая походочка.
Yeah, I found that cute little guy.
In the third grizzly bear here. Grizzly bear.
On the third day.
Лес пошел. Красавчик. Bye, guys. Bye.
Wait, I see another one.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Where? Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I see them.
Тихо, тихо. Shh.
That's one. That's two.
Yeah, it's a baby bear.
Oh, there's a third baby bear.
Two.
I think I'm настоящие пожиратели бизончиков. Ну и бизончики бедненькие. Если ты сейчас можешь проехать очень хорошо.
Видишь их, Эль?
Я вижу камеру. There's a third one. You see it?
Yeah.
Can I see? I didn't see them. I didn't see them yet.
Look on Dad's camera.
What? I can't see anything.
Right here.
What? It's just a black. It's a bear.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's a baby.
There are lots of elks. Look at that. What's going on?
Налево.
They're like a deer.
Yeah, they like deer. They're not actually elks.
They are elks, actually. Hi, baby. Oh my god.
They're just feeding on grass. That one's a
Elks at Mammoth Spring
А мы можем
area.
подойти к ним? Нет?
Написано «Undina Falls».
Can they fight us? Like,
Oops. Настоящий human.
Lots of elks.
it's so cute. Oh my god.
Baby elks.
They're just like cute. They're so
Они куда-то, они собираются всю дорогу переходить.
Yeah.
Сейчас начнут. Или они культурные по тротуару пойдут? Сейчас. Да, сейчас. Нет, они не культурные.
Hey, you need to go on a crosswalk. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I feel like any car that might be entering here might not be too happy. Yeah, they're all crossing the road. Every single one of them.
Робби, Вива, посмотрите на меня.
You go toward those people.
Сфоткай.
Oh, no, смотри, он испугался чего-то. Evan, just keep distance, keep distance. They may attack if you are too close.
Покажи файв. Что круто. Нет, типа круто. Класс, типа так и сделай. Класс.
Evan, keep distance from them. You never know what they can do.
Look at that van just waiting.
Hey guys, elks everywhere. Are those elks or deers?
I think those are elks.
You think so?
Yeah, the ones with the fur on their neck, those are elks. Look at the baby, they're so cute. But they're not cute when I see their poop. But they're always...
Super hidden camera spy mood.
Ой, и обратно пошли все теперь. Сходили туда, вернулись. Окей. Все нормально.
But then a civilized elk. Look, it's crossing the road like it's supposed to.
Which one? Oh
Вот
yeah,
по
yeah,
пешеходному переходу.
yeah.
Yeah, that one's sniffing the flowers. It's looking at the flowers.
Alright guys, we just arrived to our cabin at Canyon Lodge. And look at that. It's like 300 plus bucks, but it's pretty good.
Look, and when you like come over here, it's like...
I mean, honestly, it's probably not something you would expect
Yeah.
for 300 bucks, but it's better than even
Look,
Old
this is,
Faithful.
This is me compared to this whole room.
Oh my god, that's great.
Me compared to this whole room.
Yeah, I really like it. That's the best probably hotel in the park.
Yeah, you mean cabin?
Yeah.
The hotel is like over there. The hotel is over there. There are like deers and bears on the chair. Look.
There's still no microwave, no Wi-Fi.
Dad, look. There's bears, deers, mooses on the chairs.
But compared to
Bears.
Old Faithful
Yeah, this Old Faithful.
and Lake Hotel, that's
No, Old
the
Faithful
best.
would be like from here to there, and then like from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then this is like two times larger.
More
right?
expensive isn't always better.
Yeah. Let me just show outside.
Old Faithful didn't even have a mirror.
I think squirrels are playing text. Right? It's pretty convenient because you can park right next to the cabin. Pretty cool.